Death is his companion, revenge is his motive, and redemption his only escape. Witness the word of Yudra. Ida.
How much do you like action films? That is, a lot of killing. For example, the John Wick genre that has been created.
I can watch it. I'm not. I don't get grossed out by gore or blood or anything, so it's fine. I can watch it. It's interesting. Weird thing is, my mom sits and watches movies like this. I should be worried.
No?
The other day, she was watching Kill, and I was looking at her, and I was like, "Why are you watching Kill?" Raghav Juhal's
Yes,
Kill.
because that is a good film. It's a really good film.
But
Action
you know
is
what?
amazing.
The thing is, she's not a fan of, like blood, then she doesn't want to see all of that. But she sat through the whole movie. I was like,
And she
yeah,
liked it.
mom, yeah.
Respect Mama Afreen. Well, with that, welcome to another episode of So South Reacts. I am Sanjay Punappa.
This is Afreen Hussain.
Tubelight. And in today's episode, we are reacting to the trailer of Yudra. So Yudra has two trailers, one very recently dropped and one dropped a couple of weeks ago. We'll be watching both the trailers. I watched the first one, you haven't.
I haven't watched.
So she will be watching the first trailer for more context about what this universe is. This film, Yudra, is starring Siddhant Chaturvedi, Malavika Mohanan and Raghav Juhyal as the antagonist, who is coming off with a great form. We've just watched him in Kill, and rightfully so, he received a lot of acclaim for his performance in the film. This film is directed by Ravi Udyawar. It seems to be an out-and-out action film, something that comes under this genre of John Wick films. We've been seeing a lot of that across industries.
Yeah.
In Telugu, we just saw Eagle starring Ravi Teja. So it's a genre that is becoming more popular, and India is trying out even more. So let's just see how Siddhant will look. Will he get out of his gully boy and
The boy next door
Gehra,
yeah.
We'll get out of it and how he seems in the action genre. Let's just see. First, let's check out the trailer. Wait, do you like Siddhant Chaturvedi?
I like him. He acts well.
Just for the acting? Are you like a fangirl or
No, I'm not. But he does act really well. So I think I've appreciated his acting from the first movie. I've really liked him in Gully Boy. I've really liked him in Gehra too. Even though the movie was very depressing, I watched it through because of the acting.
Yeah.
And even Kho Gaye Hum Kahan was really nice. So I think his acting is really good.
Maybe let's see if this is going to be his big break or not.
Yes.
मरने से पहले महाभारत का एक मशहूर किस्सा मैं आपको सुनाता हूँ। अभिमन्यु ने माँ के पेट से चक्रव्यूह में घुसने का रास्ता तो सीख लिया, लेकिन कभी चक्रव्यूह भेद नहीं पाया। काफी गर्मी है तुम लोग में, मैं भी थोड़ा गर्म हो लेता हूँ। आपको लगा कि मैं अभिमन्यु हूँ, मैं उसका बाप हूँ अर्जुन। Yudra has got a serious anger issue.
वैसे आई थिंक सोचा जा सकता है।
क्या सोचा जा सकता है?
तू और मैं एक साथ।
तू अपने गुस्से को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकता। खुद के लिए नहीं तो मेरे लिए, हमारे लिए।
बिल्कुल अपने बाप पर गए हो। किरिश बिल्कुल तुम्हारी तरह था, पंगे लेने का शौक था उसे, शायद इसीलिए उसकी जान गई। ये जज को बोलेंगे प्लीज कि मुझ में जेनेटिक प्रॉब्लम है।
राम
शायद
कपूर।
थोड़ी सजा कम ही कर दे।
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं।
बैठने का नहीं होता है, फिरोज देश का सबसे बड़ा ड्रग नेटवर्क चलाता है। जो काम तुम्हारे बाप ने शुरू किया, खत्म तुम कर सकते हो। अभी अपना माल मेड इन चाइना हो गया। फिरोज उनसे 5000 किलो कोकेन खरीद रहा है। माल शफीक नहीं, हम उतरवाएंगे।
एक बार मौका दीजिए, मैं लेके आता हूँ ना उसे आपके पास।
ये पहली बार नहीं है जब जिंदगी ने साथ छोड़ने की कोशिश की है, पर मौत को ये मंजूर नहीं। दोस्त है ना अपनी, एक बार पहले भी आई थी। मेरी जान बचाने।
फरहान अख्तर.
कौन है बे? क्या चाहता है?
जानना चाहता हूँ लोग मरने से पहले ऐसे बेवकूफ़ी भरे सवाल क्यों पूछते हैं।
हाँ.
So do you want to talk about it or let's watch the
Let's
next
watch
one?
the next one also, and then we'll talk about this.
Watching trailer number 2. 3, 2, 1.
भेड़ का शिकार क्या किया भाई ने? अभी सीधा शेर मारना है। बच्ची तू अपना चॉकलेट चूस और खुश रहे।
काफी गर्मी है तो रूम में। मैं भी थोड़ा गर्म हो लेता हूँ।
फाड़ के रख देगा तेरी। पता है तुझे क्या चीज है?
अब इसका क्या करे?
करना क्या है? अब मेरी बारी।
याद रख, बाप बाप होता है।
सही बोला था।
What do you think? How was it?
I think both the trailers have given us an idea of what the story might be, like the storyline of it. So his father has started something against the drug mafia or something, and now he has to take it forward. Like, this is a very generic
Standard, huh.
story. Yeah, and is this Malvika Mohanan's first Bollywood movie?
I think this might be her first big screen film. Let's just check. Yeah, but go on. What about Raghav?
Yeah. I think Raghav, I watched him through Dance India Dance and all of the funny anchoring that he used to do. And
Yeah.
I really liked him then. And seeing him do really,
Gritty films.
yeah, gritty films, serious, and playing the antagonist in movies is something that I had not imagined he would do, but he's doing it so well. His acting is brilliant in Kill and also this movie also, even
Right.
though there was a really short part of his. Siddhant Chaturvedi also is has moved out of his
Comfort zone.
yeah, sort of like that sweet boy next door
Yeah,
sort of a character
yeah.
that he used to play, the boyfriend, the this and that. Now he's being some other really tough character in this movie. So that is also something that I'm looking out for. Malvika Mohanan, there was
Yes.
not a lot acting that we
I
saw.
don't know
Yeah.
if she's based on the posters and all of it. I don't know if she's just the damsel or if there is a significant role for her in
Character
this.
for her, yeah.
We'll find out soon enough. The film is just releasing a week away, 20th, so we'll know. Malvika Mohanan, like you asked, she's been in Beyond the Clouds, that Ishan Khatter's first
Yeah,
film.
yeah.
Yeah, in that she was there, but again, that
was
wasn't
not
really
a
a
big screen, yeah.
big release either. It was a pretty limited release for a film. But talking about this, have you watched Bloody Daddy, Shahid Kapoor's? So Shahid Kapoor made this film which was directly released on Geo Studios, I guess.
Right.
Geo Cinema, which was called Bloody Daddy. Again, that too is
I've
this
heard of it, I've not watched it.
a very gritty action film. It's just happening in one night, and all of these things to be very. It kind of reminded me of that. If you're talking about Bollywood, if you again Hollywood reference, it is going to be a John Wick. It is going to be a Mr. Nobody or Kill also to an extent,
Yeah.
because here as well we can see a military background. So he is trained. So it's not like he's just some tapori who's just good at fighting.
Is he trained or is it his father who was in the
No, you can also
military?
see, you saw in the first trailer, right? He was also in the military camp. He was also being trained or something. So I feel like he's been there. Maybe he is kicked out because of his anger issues, like it's
Probably,
mentioned here.
yeah.
So there is a lot of the standardized template of films like this, you can draw a lot of things here, but how much of it is used in the film, how much of it is not, what is there and what is not, is something that you have to watch. Again, the main USP of this film is going to be action, and
Right, yeah.
I liked it.
Yeah, the action is there.
Raghav playing that menacing character once again. I feel like the second trailer was just to place a little more emphasis on him, because in the first one there was barely
Not much,
anything.
yeah.
And based on the acclaim that he got from Kill, the makers were like, let's use this. So honestly speaking, when I watched the first trailer, I was okay. I was not extremely impressed about, pumped up with the trailer, but when I watched Excel Entertainment being the producer, when I saw that, Ritesh Sidhwani and Farhan
Farhan
Akhtar,
Akhtar.
whatever they produce, it comes with a certain amount of credibility. So that is what they've earned over the years as producers. I'm not even talking about them as Farhan as an actor. As producers, that is the credibility they've earned. So when I saw Excel Entertainment, I felt like, okay, wait, इस फिल्म में कुछ तो बात हो सकता है.
So, like you said, when I saw the first trailer, it felt like the story is predictable. Father had started something, now the son is going to end it. This is a very basic storyline that we have, watched for like, I don't know how many years. Now, what is new in this? It's just that there are new faces to it, a new actor, a new antagonist, a new actress in the movie or something. Just so much new to it. What else is there? There's a Ram Kapoor character who who is guiding the protagonist through how to end this war that your father has started. Sort of.
Yeah.
We've seen all of these
Ram
movies.
Kapoor is entering the realm where Ronit Roy has been living.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, it felt like a very basic storyline to me, but I think that there is something more to it. After watching the second trailer that we saw now, probably there's more to it. And also, I think after this movie, the sale of Lollipop is going to go high.
Yeah. Oh, right. Lollipop reference. Again, have you watched Baby Driver?
Yeah, I have.
I felt like whatever
Yeah.
the music is his
Yeah.
thing, the Lollipop is
Yeah.
here. Rajubai from the Tamil film, Surya's film, where the toothpick became iconic
Yeah.
and everybody was running around with the toothpick. Something like that might happen if this film blows up.
Blows up, yeah. But I think I would have loved to see Malavika Mohanan in a much deeper, deeper
contribute
role.
a little more.
Yeah.
Based on the trailer, that we couldn't see. Maybe and it might be different in the film or not, because even with the songs, if we see, we've just seen the glamour part of
Yeah.
it. We haven't seen anything more than that. Posters also, it's him in the focus, all bloodied while she is hugging him.
See, I don't want her to end up becoming that, just the girl in the, like
The pretty girl. there.
yeah, I don't want that. I want her to have a good, deeper character.
A meteor role,
Yeah.
Even if she's in distress, it should be meteor.
Yeah.
For example, the first Baghi film, again, that might be one of those films in Bollywood which started doing something like this.
Yeah.
Tiger Shroff's Baghi, Shraddha Kapoor had a good role. It's
She
not
did,
like
yeah.
even though she is being kidnapped, even though she
Yeah.
is being kept there, he is going to save
Yeah.
her. She was still there fighting,
Yeah.
being active. The whole romantic track was established well. So let's see if something like that can be seen here.
In this movie, yeah.
Well, that was our reaction to the trailers of Yudra. Again, the name also has some weight.
Yeah.
I feel like it seems like it's something that Bollywood has picked up from South Indian films.
Probably.
Like the
Like
Salars or names like Agastya, Rocky Bhai, all of that.
But Yudra is something new, something unique. I don't know what Yudra means. Yudh, probably. A war, a warrior.
Is it another name for Arjun? We're just guessing. We haven't searched anything because he says, "Main Arjun hu." Is it another name of Arjun?
Arjun, or did he say
No,
Abhimanyu?
He was giving introduction to Abhimanyu, but he's like, you might be thinking
That I am Abhimanyu,
but I am
I'm-
Arjun. So
yeah.
if you know the meaning of the name, just drop it down. We do a lot of such contents. We do a lot of reactions, reviews for films. We do a lot of entertainment content, and otherwise as well. There is politics, there is current affairs, all of which Afreen is doing. I am more in the entertainment thing. So check us out. Check our personal Instagrams out as well. The link will be in the description below. If you like this video, drop a like so that YouTube understands you're enjoying what we are serving you and serves you more of our content. Subscribe to our channel if you want to be updated about such content the fastest. Comment whatever you felt about this reaction, whatever you felt about this trailer, all of it.
And if you know Ram Kapoor from Bade Achhe Lagte Hain, you are OG. Let us know in the
Yes.
comment section. And with that, this is Afreen Hussain.
And I am Sanjay Ponappa.
And you are watching India Today So South.